The vehicle that arrives at the intersection first has the right of way. When three vehicles arrive at an uncontrolled intersection at the same time, drivers must yield to the vehicle on their right. What if all the cars arrive at the same time and turn left? In this case, the drivers use a common agreement, that is, use hand signals or make eye contact, to jointly decide who will go first. Now, when one driver has passed the intersection, we can use the right-hand rule. It means the driver who is on the right passes first.